Hi friends, in the last video you will have seen Harshith, my little brother, explain his game. In this video, I will be explaining my game, Cat and the Bear. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, so now we're in Scratch, and my game is called Cat and the Bear. And for that, first you need to pick your sprite, and characters are called sprite in Scratch. So first let's pick a sprite and choose a sprite. There's already cat there, so that's one of my characters, and I picked bear walking, not bear, because the walking bear looks different, and that one was suitable for my game. It just sat on the cat. Okay, now let's pick a backdrop. I picked a suitable backdrop, which is the forest. Now we have picked all the backdrop and the characters sprite. So now let's start programming. First, let's program the cat. So we don't need the bear now. So let's take out the bear. The coordinates for the cat is pretty high from the ground, so let's bring it down a bit. Okay, so this is x is minus 164 and y is minus 100. So go to x minus 164, y minus 100. So let's just drag it to here, and if you press play, flag, it'll come here. So this is the first part, what you have to do. Then now it's time to make it walk. I just did move 10 steps, and then forever, so that it'll keep on walking. Yeah, it'll just go crash. So now what we have to do is we have to make it look it's really walking. So we need to go to costumes, and this is the so like you just need to keep changing this. It looks like it's walking. So go to code, looks, and then switch costume to costume 2. Let's just bring it here, and then switch costume to costume 1. Move 10 steps costume 2, then go to control, wait for about 0.2 seconds, drag it down here, and then switch costume to costume 1. Go to motion, and then move 10 steps again. Yes, now it's perfect. So we need to make it move faster, so make it go 20 steps. Okay, so this is okay, and so if we just let it walk, it's just gonna go crash here. It won't like keep walking. So to make that happen, like you need to do something, and first you need to go to sensing, and then touching edge. Yeah, so you need an if condition. If touching edge, then go to here. So I just copied the whole thing. I don't need this. And then keep. Okay, so let's see what happens now. Okay, perfect. It's coming back now. Now it's just walking infinite. So now we've done making the cat walk straight. The next part is to bring in the bear, and then just make it walk as well. First go to events, and flag clicked, and the bear should come from the right side. So first let's make it point in direction to the cat. Control motion, point towards point towards Sprite 1, and then the set rotation style should be left to right. Yeah. Okay, so now it's correct. It should come from the right side of the edge. So let's take it a bit inside, so it'll be like it's really coming from outside of the background. So it's gonna be this X and Y. For me, go to X. Okay, now let's make it walk. So making it the bear move is basically just kind of the same like this, but the bear has more costumes. So there are 8 costumes for the bear walking sprite. I'm just gonna pick a couple of them for my program. Okay, the bear is too big, so the bear should be probably 80% for me, I think. Okay, the size is enough. And the bear walking sprite, I'm just gonna pick this one first, of course. So switch costume to bear walking A. And then I'm gonna put forever. Wait for 0.2 seconds, and then I need to pick another costume. C, I think. C. And then another rate, 0.2 seconds. Okay, so let's see how this is now. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to make the sprite move 10 steps. So 10 step here, motion, move 10 steps. Here and here. We need this point in direction 90. It needs to be minus 90, so that'll look the other way. Okay, now it's perfect. And that's the bear walking, and that's done. Okay, so the cat and the bear are walking straight now. When the bear goes to the left side of the screen, it stops. So for this one, we need to make another bear come here. And for that, we need to do cloning. So the cloning is in control. So when I start as a clone, create clone of myself, delete this clone. First, when flag clicked, control, create a clone of myself. So there'll be 2 bears. So let's hide the default one. Hide. Yeah, so this is the cloned one. And to make yeah, it's hidden now because we hid the bear, so that one is hidden as well. So we need to make it show here. Show. And we also need to make a little change in this, which is to take the flag when flag clicked out, and then put when I start as a clone. So now it moves, and this is a clone. And the real bear is here. But still it gets stuck on the left side of the screen. So now we need to use an if condition. Just if touching edge, delete this clone. So let's see what happens now. It gets deleted on the right side of the screen because there's an edge there, so it just gets deleted because we wrote as if touching edge. So when it comes from there, it just gets deleted. So this is wrong. So we need to take the less than condition, then motion, take the X position, bigger one needs to be minus 300. Okay, so let's see if this works. Okay, so this is working. This is perfect. Okay, so there's only one bear coming now, but like if you want to make many bears come, we need to make it forever. So let's see what happens now. Okay, so there are many bears coming now because I haven't done anything like put a time interval or anything like that. So if you want to make it come a little bit slower, put a time interval. 0.5 seconds to 3 seconds. And then control. Okay, since there are still many bears coming, I want to bring another clone after the first bear disappears. So for that, I'm going to make use of variables. And make sure it's for all sprites, So first we need to set create bear clone to 1. And put it here. Set create bear clone to 1, and then operators. Take the one which has an equal sign, and then go to variables again, and then create bear clone, and then 1. No. 1. Control, wait until okay, so now it's perfect. When the bear reaches to the left side of the screen, another bear comes from the right side. Okay, so this is part 1 of my program, Cat and the Bear. In the next video, you will see the jumping and the rest. Until then, bye bye.